and welcome back to another YouTube video with your girl Jacolia Miracle, your one and only. And today I am going to be installing this beautiful 32-inch wig, human hair, supposedly supposed to be HD lace with on my head. And so far I'm excited. I'm already braided down. Ooh. And my mom was straightening the hair for me earlier, so we're all set to go. I'm gonna pluck the front a little bit, but I'll probably gonna do a close-up for y'all to see how it's going before and after, because I think I do a decent job plucking, but I'm not no arrogant Tay. But we're gonna go through the process. Hopefully my wig cap don't flip like the last video. I got a different spray glue, but I feel like this is gonna be a real fun experience. It's a little toasty in the house, so I am a little worried about that. But other than that, I'm gonna wash my face, you know, pretty much just clean up. I just came home from school to make sure that we have a fresh canvas for everything. But I am really excited to do this with y'all. Hopefully it's not like a complete fail, because I'm not gonna lie to y'all. I try to bleach the knots. Come up close early. I tried to bleach the knots. I got scared and took the bleach off too early, and clearly it didn't do anything for real. So that was a fail number one. But I feel like everything else is gonna go okay once I take my time and we have fun. If you are not subscribed already, or if this is your first time, welcome. I love you. You can't do nothing about it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and share with your friends on Instagram. If you liked the video, you thought it was funny, or you just like my content, period, because I'm a pretty cool person, you can share it to your Instagram and at me. I would love that. At Serendipity. I'll put that right there for y'all. But let's not take any longer, because it's getting late and I'm tired. So let's get into this video. So this is Miss, what's her name? We're gonna call her Elizabeth. That's my new name. This is Miss Elizabeth. She is clearly gorgeous. She is beautiful. So we're gonna get up front. This is what her lace line looking like right now. You know, it's a little plucked, but I feel like it could be a little bit more. Even though it's not gonna be showing, I really just want to get in here for real and clean this part up mainly. But other than that, I'ma of course silk press it with the hot comb to really make sure that it's flat and it's giving flatiana. But it's a beautiful wig. I got it from AliExpress, but I'll give y'all the details as I am going through the actual hair process. But yeah, so this is just a look at her again. Hey mom. But yeah, it's really cute. I love it. So this is Miss Elizabeth after I finished plucking. As I told y'all, I feel like I do a pretty decent job, but I put my wax stick, I think that's what it's called. I passed my hot comb through it, and it makes such a beautiful part. It looks natural. I'm really proud of it. I almost dropped my camera. I'm trying to give y'all these angles, but I absolutely love how she came out. Like, she's giving me life right now. But let's go ahead and get into this process for real. Ooh, it's about to be a journey, y'all. About to be a journey, but she come out cute in the end. So of course, first things first, you got to get your wig cap going, but I almost forgot that you got to slick your edges back. Otherwise, when you take the wig off, you're not gonna have no hair. So I started with doing that. Then I put my wig cap on, and that wig cap, the first one that I used, it was too tight for my big head. And I know that I said I got a brand new glue or whatever, but the glue still didn't do what it needed to do. Like, it flipped up again, and I was so upset, and I was worried that I didn't have another wig cap. But then I went in my room and I got this one. Fight for your life, fight for your life, fight for your life, fight for your life. Okay, people are gonna. So what happened was that the first wig cap was an absolute fail. I'll show you guys. It was a flop. And then I went back into my room and I found a way stretchier wig cap that came down to my chin. I know people are like, you don't have to do that, blah, blah, blah. I don't have the skill to do it for my forehead yet. So I needed to envelope my whole entire face so as thin as possible. And then I had saw on Instagram how some people just use their glue. And honestly, I think this might just be better than the spray, because the spray is giving me a run for my money once again. Maybe I don't have the patience, or I'm not letting it dry fast enough. But I'm still learning the whole wig cap stuff. That be whipping my behind. Like, I've been ready to cry just because of my wig cap. Like, it don't even be the wig. It be the wig cap that be eating me raw. But I'm waiting for this to dry, because I think they wait till like it go kind of clear or whatever, and then I'm gonna cut it and hopefully it stay. I pray it stay. I don't know. It's not showing me promises from right now. How it's looking. We'll see. But I'll be back. So in the end, it did end up staying, and I'm gonna do this process from now on, just using the actual wig glue on my head and instead of the spray, because it just doesn't work for me. But this was like the tightest and like the flattest a wig cap stayed on my head, besides the one time I did another wig and it was like perfect, but of course I wasn't recording the story of my life. So now I'm putting the wig on and I'm just trying to see where I want to put the lace down, and we just kind of going Godspeed now because it was really late and I just really wanted to like finish. So I tried to stick a little pin so the wig cap wouldn't flip up again. I sprayed the lace, I tinted it. What am I doing here? I was a little confused. Oh, still trying to figure out like where I want to place the glue. Does it match my skin or not? I think I did pretty good trying to match the color. Then I put down another layer of glue so we can actually put it down. RIP my Fenty eyebrow stick because I don't know why I did that instead of using the edge of my comb. I really don't know why I did that. But now we're waiting for it to dry, put it down. And this is mistake number 2. I could have pushed my edges back a little bit more, but it still came out really, really cute. And now I'm just gonna let it do its thing. So right now we're waiting for the big reveal. I'm waiting for it to dry. This wasn't as bad as my last wig. Let me wash my hands. This wasn't as bad as my last wig because my last wig, the wig cap flew off. The hairline was kind of solid. Like, it had a lot of drama going on with it. The color was pretty, but I don't know. It just didn't do what it was supposed to do. It didn't give what it was supposed to give, I should say. And now I put this wig on my head. It feels cute. I don't know. I could never line up a center part straight for real, so my center part look a little off. I might fix it days to come. Maybe I won't. I really don't care. I just want the hair to look good. But look at this length y'all on me. Like, this is so good. This is so pretty. I love it so much. Let me stop brushing it because I'm most definitely brushing it wrong right now because my hand is wet and then my other hand is sticky. But I feel like it's gonna be cute though. I feel like it's gonna be cute. I hope it's cute. When I spend all this money, it's gonna look cute. So let's just wait till it dries before I try to judge it and all that other stuff. But I have a good feeling about it. I hope. Alrighty, see y'all in a few. Snip, snip, snip. That's all I'm doing. Snipping off the lace. So after that very chaotic and long process, I have finished my wig. I finished my hair. Long story short, I'm very hot. Overall, I had a really great time installing this. Of course, I noticed I never plant my middle parts correctly on my head, but that's whatever. But the hair is absolutely gorgeous. I don't care really too much about the sides because it's gonna be like this 24/7 anyways. And if I do pull it up, it's probably gonna be like this. So, and this is a 360 of it. I know y'all can't see it all the way down, but it's so cute. I'm gonna leave the link to the hair if you want to get it because it was a really great price and the quality is amazing, and it's from AliExpress. I think it's called A Star or like Hot Star Girl or something like that. That was the company that I got it from, but I absolutely love it and adore it. Do not follow my wig process. I just do this from like my own little not ghetto, but like how I know how to toss a wig on real quick. It's not the best. Clearly, I struggled, but I still got it done. And it came out with really cute results. And I hope you enjoyed this short video, but I just wanted to install my wig with you guys. Until next time. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe once again. Bye.